guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Celine and I am back with another video. So I haven't done a natural hair video in a while and I must apologize to my 76 subscribers. Yay! Thanks for subscribing, thanks for the shares, thanks for all the love, thanks for the likes. Yeah, so I want to apologize for not putting out any video. Your girl is back and I want to ensure that I put out content every single week, so stay tuned. I have a lot in store for you all. Alright, so for today's video I'll be doing finger coil. If you want to see me achieve my finger coil, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'll be starting my style on freshly washed hair. Yes, so that is the reason why my hair is in my t-shirt. So now I will be applying my leave-in conditioner from Cantu. Usually I would section my hair in 4 sections to apply my leave-in conditioner, but I was feeling a little bit lazy, so I applied it all over my hair. Alright, so next I'm gonna move on to my oil, and my oil mixture consists of coconut oil, olive oil, and Jamaican black castor oil. And next, what I'll be using to achieve my curls is my all-time fave, my Ecostyler, my olive oil styling gel. And right beside me I have my bottle of water in case my hair gets dry. So you all know that I love to work in sections because my hair is so thick. So I will be dividing my hair into 4 sections, which will be more manageable for me to do my style. Starting from the back, I'm gonna be applying some water to my hair to get it moist. I then move on to apply my oil and I work it evenly throughout the sections to ensure that I seal in the moist. Finally, I applied my gel, after which I move on to doing my finger coils. To achieve my finger coils, what I do is make small sections and wrap my fingers around each section from root to tip until my coils are formed.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember? Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
So I am finally finished, and yes, that is my happy dance. I'll see you tomorrow when it's dry. So it's the next day and we're gonna see how successful I was with my finger coils. So let's go. I'm so scared. Lord. For the most part, I think it was okay. It was okay. A lot of my coils didn't form around the back area. Alright, so for these sections, it was a fail. Yeah. Also, some in the front was also a fail. And in the side, yes, this side, hope you can see. Yeah, so it wasn't a total success, but next time, yeah, next time. Even though all my curls did not come out the way I wanted to, I think it was an okay style and I can rock it. What do you think, guys? And let me know in the comments down below. So there you have it, my finger coil. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here, please ensure you hit that red subscribe button down below. Until next time, one love.